ថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃអាទិត្យទី14ឆ្នាំ2021ឥឡូវលោកច័ន្ទរាគាត់តិចទៅមកពិតិចសាសធ្វើអីឲ្យចៅ
វាសួរទៅ graduation ឲ្យចៅ
graduation ឲ្យចៅឥឡូវមានពាក្យពេចន៍អ្វីដល់ផ្ញើទៅកាន់បងប្អូនជើង
បងប្អូនខ្ញុំខ្លះដែលខ្ញុំមិនបានអញ្ជើញផ្ទាល់មិនមែនមិនអញ្ជើញខ្ញុំអញ្ជើញតាម Facebook ក៏ប៉ុន្តែបើមានពេលវេលាអញ្ជើញមកហូបអាហារពេលល្ងាច It's a graduation so not like ខ្ញុំតាំងរោហូតែលឲ្យគាត់មួយដែរ
ខ្ញុំបានខាងគាត់ណាគេជួយផ្លែឈើមួយឈើនោះ160កេស
160កេស
យ៉ា
ពីកាណាដា
យើងហូបវាផ្លែឈើយើងនៅថ្ងៃហ្នឹងតាំងពីថ្ងៃសុក្រសៅរ៍អាទិត្យនេះពេញថ្ងៃឆ្នាំ
កុំឲ្យមកលឿនពេកប្រយ័ត្នយ៉ាងហ៎
ហើយមានអ្នកមកជួយច្រើនគឺថាដល់ឆ្នាំនេះចិត្តពេញណាស់
អូនយ៉ាន់រ៉ា
ហើយគាត់សំឆេងដែរអត់មានទៅណាគាត់សំឆេងដែរ
ឥឡូវមានអូនហើយដែរនេះខ្លាចអូអ្នកយើងមកច្រើនហ្នឹង
អូមិនអស់អាឡៃ
អស់អាឡៃ
បងខ្ញុំក៏រួបងខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត
ខ្ញុំចាអានណូតប៉ុន្តែលេងពីចឹងតាមអ្នកចម្រៀង
ហ្នឹងហើយ
ប៉ុន្តែអញ្ចឹងអ្នកខ្លះដូចភាគច្រើនគិតដងខាងសិល្បៈអញ្ចឹងក៏ឲ្យឡើងជ្រាបបានអ្នកភ្លេងក៏លេងបាន
ឈ្មោះសេឡាបង
You gonna sing?
Yeah.
What song?
Yeah, I'm gonna say 6, 7.
You gonna sing the song?
No.
No?
We're just.
Which one did you graduate? What's your name?
Elijah.
Oh, say something.
Graduated 2026. It's all done. Finished. All done.
Say something to your grandfather.
Love you.
ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា Would you please pay attention for a moment? This party events for ចៅលោកយ៉ាន់រ៉ាហើយសុកលីបើសិនជាបងប្អូនឃើញក្មេងៗទាំងអស់ភ្ញៀវទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺសិតតែកូនចៅយ៉ាន់រ៉ាហើយនឹងសុកលីទាំងអស់ភ្ញៀវបន្តិចតួចទេភ្ញៀវព្រោះតែកូនវាចៅវាទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមតែដៃមួយទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Congratulations ចៅ That's all
Just make sure before you guys leave, let me know.
Yeah, we could have done it without this guy.
nhắm mà trái nó trái nó ô máu đó mày bây giờ màu ấy my wife's here right mày bây máu ấy rồi nhà máu mất đi trong đó nhau mua rồi đó thank you yeah. Thanks so much that's my best friend now He been to my house like one time or two times. Thank you.
Nhằm đâu quay.
Toàn home.
Nên là sao đi mà nấu sao đi mà nấu sao đi.
What?
I emptied it. That's why there was nothing in it.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm gonna empty it every so often.
Lang rồi. Ní. Lang.
ដែលបានមកជួបជុំបងប្អូនយើងសាជាថ្មីទៀតមកម្ដងមកទៅកូនក្មួយវាចិត្តតែច្រើនទៅ you know the family growing up I mean everybody having 10 kids
អត់ទេបងម៉ៃហ្វូន
and
ដាក់ម៉ៃហ្វូនបានលឺ
Get your son here.
ជួយសេរីឲ្យគាត់តិច
Elijah, come up here.
anyway give her a hand please she's been cooking all night all day long because the love for the grandson Elisha so we sacrifice everything to be here you know so and Kali was her graduation yesterday thank God her mom side did put the party Kali can you come up here oh she's not here yet thank God her American side put the parties up so we don't have to work too much but for him our responsibility and we gladly to do it for him and hopefully everybody enjoy the food enjoy each other and may God bless you let's see my wife want to say something okay oh by the way this is my wife go ahead
អរគុណច្រើនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានមក
Graduation ចាស់
បានមក graduation ចៅខ្ញុំខ្ញុំអរគុណ
បាទដូចវិញអានោះសុំមើលស្មើ
សូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានចូលរួមនឹង graduate ចៅខ្ញុំ តាមពីអីទៀតទេ
She just came back inside right now. She just walked in from cooking all that food that you guys are eating right now that you guys are consuming. Please, if you guys could do me a favor and give my mother a round of applause. Thank you very much. So she doesn't have much to say right now, but you know me, I will have a lot to say. So, because I am my father's son, you know that I like to be on the microphone and I will talk my shit. But I will talk it because of this guy right here. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, this is my son. Not the S-O-N, this is the S-U-N. This is my son who brought light into my world when things were dark. And now he is here today, and because of him, I am here today with all of you beautiful people right now. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you all so much for being here. Since the moment he was born, like those pictures that you're seeing on that video screen right now. You see that? You see that? And you can tell, that's my son. And I appreciate you all so very much for being here. And not only that, there's 4 generations in here right now. So I got my son, and thankfully he doesn't have one himself yet. And then there's me here, and then there's my parents here, and right behind us is the other lady that helped cook for us the rest of this day, which is my grandma's right there right now in the pink. Everybody, please give her a round of applause. Pushing 80 plus years old right now and still cooking up, and I mean that figuratively and literally. She is still cooking it up for all of us right now. Thank you all so very much for being here from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all. But not only that, ladies and gentlemen, my other grandma is here as well, sitting right over here. And it's such a blessing to be able to say that my grandma is here, my parents are here, my son is here, but his great-grandma is here. His great-grandma is here. And that is such a beautiful thing because life is so short. But right now, we get to live it long. And right now, if I may, I'm going to hand you this microphone, Elijah. He doesn't know that I was going to do this. I'm going to hand him this microphone, and he's going to give you guys a speech as well. Go ahead, pull your cameras up. Pull your phones up. Go ahead, pull your phones up. Let's see if he can do it. Here we go. Well, okay, this was very unexpected, but every single individual in here, I want to thank you guys so much at the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for coming. Graduation 2026, we did it. A lot of obstacles in the way, a lot of things that could have done bad for me, done good for me.
We all know.
We got through it, we graduated, and can't wait for you guys to see what's next. Thank you.
Please stay around for the music. We have Jan saying
One man band.
one man band all the way from the Twin City to help out tonight. And you brought
A wife and a sister.
yeah, and then his sister's here, his wife's here. They're gonna perform for you guys. I may dress in red, but I ain't singing, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you again. So please enjoy the food and the liquors and beers and whatever out there. If it's all gone, it's all gone, okay? I promise.
Don't cry.
Don't cry. The cooks are here now, so again, thank you.
អូខេសូមព័ត៌មានថែមទៀតថ្ងៃនេះយើងដូចយើងបានយើងប្រាប់ថាថ្ងៃនេះគឺជាកម្មវិធីរបស់ក្មេងៗអញ្ចឹងយើងលេងបទប្រហែលបទខ្លះហើយនឹងមាន DJ បន្តរហូតហ្នឹងហើយយើងលេងសម្រាប់ដូចយើងតប្រហែល1ម៉ោង2ម៉ោងតាមដែលយើងត្រូវការបន្ទាប់ហ្នឹងយើងមាន DJ ដើម្បីឲ្យក្មេងៗគាត់សប្បាយក្នុងពេលយប់នឹងរាត្រីនៅយប់ហ្នឹងអរគុណច្រើន
Who sing?
Hello. Teď met mau tang teď sa hai
This is my old friend. Long time friend, long time. When our kids were little. Yeah, I surprised her today. So she didn't even know him. So yeah, no, 30 years. Thank you.
30 years.
30 years.
Finally, we all look the same.
More than 30 years. Maybe more than 30 years. 40 years.
Thank you.
20 years ago it was like that, and now it's like that.
Bye.